A fun night in Spokane, Washington as the Shock, they call themselves the second half team and they prove it down the stretch, outscoring Tampa Bay 28-14 to come away with a 3-point victory. All right, Wolf, alongside friend and partner Anthony Herron. And Big Ant, I think we're all so caught up in Eric Meyer that sometimes we forget how much this defense has improved, and it was the defense that was the catalyst to turn this game around for Spokane.
Spokane has one of my favorite defensive fronts in the Arena Football League because they can bring it from so many different angles. They're more of a finesse group, but they do a great job because they find opportunities to free up guys to pressure the pocket. That's really where this game turned, Ari.
We will take a look at some of the pressure on Randy Hibbert, which was really the key thing in the second half.
And it really came from all angles. James Ruffin got it going initially. Terrence Taylor at the nose position really did a great job penetrating the A-gap. That's what got Randy Hibbert off balance. And then that led to Terrence Sanders with a big interception, ran it all the way back for a touchdown. And so the defensive front turned the tide in a ball game where both offenses had been going score for score, almost like a great tennis match. But when that D-line really got things heated up, that's what turns the game around.
I like the tennis analogy. Thank you for that. All right, now let's focus on the future. Tampa Bay no longer controls their own destiny, and because Cleveland wants to have just one loss so they could potentially host Arena Bowl 27, they're going to Tampa. There'll be no handouts from the Gladiators to the Storm. Now my question is, Pittsburgh is hosting Philadelphia. The Soul are currently the 4th seed. Do you expect Pittsburgh to go full bore, or do they protect Tommy Grady? And does Philadelphia go to Pittsburgh and win and get in the playoffs? Because you did tell me a couple weeks ago Philadelphia was going to miss this year's postseason.
I do think we're going to see everything that the Pittsburgh Power have to offer in that game next week, mostly because they're coached by Ron James. Ron James knows one way to go. He goes full bore, full speed, make sure his players are ready to show up every time they step on the football field. So I think the Pittsburgh Power are going to go out there looking for a win.
Well, it should be a fun final weekend in the regular season. We had a blast here in Spokane as always. Death Valley delivers, and the Spokane Shock get their 10th win of the season. Have a great night, everybody.